Hi, I'm Helena from PamPam, and today I'm going to show you how to create your own custom interactive real estate map. We're going to use a tool called PamPam, which is just a tool to make and share maps online. So let's go. So you're going to go to pampam.city/templates. I'll link it below. From there, you're going to see an example of what the map will look like, but you're going to be able to copy this map and then customize it. So let's click on Start with this map. From here, you're going to copy the map. You might have to log in if you're not logged in already, but I'm already logged in, so it's just going to copy it. And then from here, this is your own copy of this map that you can then customize. So let me give you a quick tour. So this is the panel with all the spots in it. So you're just going to be able to swap all of those out for your own. You can customize the photo by clicking here. You can also edit the fields that show up in each of the spots. This template already has the fields that are reasonable, like price and square footage, but you can customize those. You can edit everything, the pictures, the descriptions, and then let's click into one of these properties. So here you can add a photo, a title, price, description, and you can also add links. So you can have, here, this is just a link to the Google Maps location of this address. And you can also add custom CTAs. So for example, here you can have a button that says See Listing, and you're just gonna need to make sure you're in edit mode and then edit the link here with whatever link you want it to be. And that's something important to remember. You definitely wanna make sure you're in edit mode in order to be able to customize all of these different elements. Now, if you want to quickly remove all of the kind of dummy data that's here, you're going to click Add and then search for Remove All Spots. And that's going to remove all of the spots from here. And then you're going to click, let me show you again, click Add, Search by Name or Address. Here you can just search for the address. And then it'll add it here. And again, you'll be able to add all of your information here. Now, let's say that maybe you already have these properties or listings in a spreadsheet or a doc of some sort. There are other ways to add it as well. So you can import from Clipboard, which means that you're just going to paste in a block of text. So you can do that. Or you can also import from Airtable. So from there, you're just going to have like a spreadsheet in Airtable and then import it from that. So you're just going to map each column to each field in PamPam. Soon we're going to have importing from Google Sheets as well. So by the time you watch this, maybe you'll see that one too. For the rest of PamPam, you can also use these different tools that let you kind of draw and edit directly on the map, add pictures, change the color theme. And from here, what you're going to want to do once you have all of your listings up is click Share and then copy this link. And from here, you can put this link really anywhere. People don't need a profile to see, a PamPam profile to see the map. They can just view the map from anywhere. So you can add it to your Linktree, link to it from your website, share it directly with a customer. What you can also do is embed this map. So if you have a website and you want to embed this map on it, go ahead and do that here. Great, so definitely make sure to check out some of the other PamPam videos if you have any more questions, or just comment below. Thanks.